Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're delving deep into the transformative world of cloud services. Ever wondered about the seamless operation of services like Gmail, Instagram, or WhatsApp? Well, they rely on the power of the cloud.
What are cloud services? Cloud services represent a departure from traditional on-premise solutions. At their core, they provide on-demand access to a shared pool of computing resources encompassing servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and many more. What advantages does cloud computing offer compared to on-premises solutions? Let's explore the benefits of the cloud over traditional in-house setups.
Let's imagine a scenario where a business needs to host a new application. With an on-premises solution, they'd have to invest in physical servers, storage, and networking equipment. This not only requires a substantial upfront cost but also limits their scalability. If the application gains popularity, they might face challenges in scaling up to meet increased demand. Now, consider the cloud alternative. The business can leverage a cloud service provider like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. They can quickly provision the required resources on a pay-as-you-go basis. As the application gains users, the cloud allows seamless scalability, ensuring that the business only pays for the resources they consume.
So, today we delved into the concept of cloud services and explored their benefits compared to on-premises solutions. We've learned how cloud services revolutionize the way we handle computing resources, offering scalability, cost efficiency, and streamlined maintenance.
Follow for more.